Hello again guys. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to see your recently visited links on Instagram. First let's quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to Instagram. In the down right corner, click on your profile icon. Profile page will open up. Now in the top right corner click on hamburger menu. List of options will show up. Find an option called your activity. Click on it. Now you can see various of options. Find an option called links you've visited. Click on it. You can see the list of links that you visited. So if there is a link that you visited and liked, here you can find it. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.